Today we are going to look at rounding numbers to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. When rounding a number to a certain place value, such as 10, 100, or 1000, we need to look at the digit in the place value directly below it to see whether we are going to be rounding up or down. If the digit below the place value we are rounding to is 5 or more, we round up. If it is 4 or less, we round down. Let's have a look at the first example. Round 1235 to the nearest 10. We can see that our number has a 3 in the tens place and a 5 in the ones place. When rounding to the nearest 10, we look at our digit in the place value below it, in this case, the ones place. If it is a 4 or less, then the tens place digit stays the same. If it is a 5 or more, then the tens place digit is increased by 1. Digits above the tens place stay the same, and the digits below it are replaced with a 0. Since our ones place digit is a 5, we are rounding up, so the tens place digit increases by 1, meaning it goes from 3 to 4, and the ones place digit becomes a 0. So 1235 rounded to the nearest 10 is 1240. Let's look at the second example. Round 4735 to the nearest 100. Since we are rounding to the nearest 100, we look at the tens place digit, which is 3. Since 3 is less than 5, we are rounding down. This means our hundreds place digit will remain the same, so it will stay as 7. The digits in the place values below it will be replaced with zeros. So 4735 rounded to the nearest 100 is 4700. Let's have a look at the third example. Round 16,824 to the nearest 1000. Since we are rounding to the nearest 1000, we look at the hundreds place digit. We can see that it is 8, which is 5 or more. This means we round up, so our thousands place digit will increase by 1, going from 6 to 7. The digits in the place values below it are replaced with zeros. So 16,824 rounded to the nearest 1000 is 17,000. To recap, when rounding a number, we need to refer to the digit in the place value directly below the digit we are rounding to. If this digit is 5 or more, we round up. If it is 4 or less, we round down. All digits in the places below the digit we are rounding to become 0. Now it's your turn.